Two of the most trusted names in HR and payroll go head-to-head, Rippling versus Paychex. Which one really delivers? On the left, Rippling, the all-in-one platform for HR, IT, and finance. On the right, Paychex, trusted payroll and HR for American businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real differences. Each category earns points, and by the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's a quick mind map of all the categories we're gonna use for this showdown. Pricing, global capabilities, integrations and IT management, user experience, support for hourly workers and compliance and reporting and analytics. Alright, let's roll through each one. Let's kick things off with pricing because honestly, who doesn't check the price tag first, right? So Rippling starts kinda low, $8 per employee a month for their core features. Oh, and contractor management. Already baked into that price? But heads up, if you're adding stuff like global workforce or want those super advanced tools, you'll see the bill go up. Now, Paychex comes in with that $39 base fee per month and $5 for each employee, which is actually super transparent. If you just need simple payroll, they keep things pretty cost-effective. Downside, the cool advanced stuff gets into custom pricing land, which can get pricey if you're growing fast, plus contractor management, that's an extra fee. So I gotta say, Rippling actually wins this round, just a bit more flexible if you need stuff outside the basics. Okay, next, global capabilities, and oh man, Rippling basically goes beast mode here. It's built for companies that don't stop at just the US. You get payroll, HR, and benefits in more than 50 countries. Multiple currencies? Yup. And automated onboarding for those international hires so you don't get stuck juggling a million systems. Paychex, meanwhile, is amazing if most of your team is in the US. You can technically do some international payroll via partners, but let's just say the global options are kinda thin. Limited currencies, limited scope. So this one's pretty clear, Rippling is truly the global champ. Moving over to integrations and IT management, this is where things get kinda wild. Rippling has like 500 plus integrations. We're talking not just HR and payroll and all that, but device management and software provisioning built in. Imagine onboarding someone and their laptop gets set up automatically. Wild, right? Paychex? You get a solid amount of HR and payroll integrations, like 200 plus. It's really solid for time tracking and attendance. But when it comes to anything like device or app management, it's just not what Paychex does. So Rippling absolutely crushes this category. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Rippling actually grabbed PC Mag's Best Online Payroll Software Award in 2023? Yup, they're legit. Let's keep rolling. Alright, so what's it actually like to use these? You want software to be easy, right? Rippling totally nails the modern look and feel. It's slick, user-friendly, and their mobile app, super highly rated. You just jump in, things make sense. With Paychex you get web and mobile apps that work, plus they're always on standby with 24/7 support, which is honestly awesome. But the design feels a bit stuck in 2017. It's functional but not exactly pretty. And here's the kicker, if you want a shiny new Paychex product, you sometimes need a full re-implementation. So for experience, Rippling's got the edge hands down. Let's talk hourly workers and compliance, because if you've got a lot of shift work or care about rules, this really matters. Rippling's got built-in time tracking, which is cool, but maybe a bit much if you're literally just running a small, all-hourly crew. Paychex, oh, it's made for this. Time and attendance features are basically the gold standard, plus they're HIPAA compliant and have a solid compliance record. So if you're paying folks by the hour, especially in the US, Paychex is kinda hard to beat. This is honestly one area where Paychex takes the win. On to reporting and analytics. Rippling brings some serious heat, advanced analytics across HR, IT, and finance with dashboards that you can customize however you want. It's basically your control hub. Paychex isn't bad either. You get strong reporting for HR and payroll and even compliance analytics, and it's super easy to use. But if you're looking for deep financial or IT reporting, it's mostly focused on payroll-related data. So if big picture analysis is what you need, Rippling is the one to watch. It slides into the winner's spot here. Alright, so if you look at the overall scores, you can kinda see the pattern. Rippling nails most categories, especially anything tech-y or global. Paychex is the ace for compliance and hourly work in the US. Let's pull it all together. So bottom line, if you want tech-forward HR and need something that scales with you, even globally, Rippling is tough to beat. If you're a small or mid-size US business, especially with lots of hourly folks or if compliance rules keep you up at night, Paychex is a solid pick. Horses for courses, right? If you're stuck choosing between Rippling or Paychex for your team, don't forget, try out their demos, take advantage of trial offers, and make sure you see them in action before putting your credit card down.